What type of problem solver are you? We specialize in solving problems while we are at school. The subjects you preferred to study or excelled at probably say a lot about how you approach problems. What are the four main approaches? The scientist. The scientist's goal is to isolate the truth from human subjective thought. They have strict rules to follow to try and remove emotional investment from their work. Their goal is to map the real world and name things in novel and enlightening ways. They map the planets and name the chemicals that make up our bodies to understand, and then improve the world around them. They also look for patterns in the world and cause and effect relationships. Their approach has appealed to everyone, from the physical sciences to the social world. Within fields as disparate as physics and psychology, they use the same scientific method approach to problem solving. When they're faced with a problem, they excel at observing what is happening and isolating features to help uncover rules. They learn the rules other people have uncovered to speed up their progress and hold on to those rules as the truth, with the understanding that eventually better rules will come along. The mathematician. The mathematician approaches the study of problems with an air of cynicism. They know that representing the real world in data and running simulations can allow them to experiment with solutions in a safe laboratory environment. They have a deep respect of some of the powerful variables in any process. Time is perhaps one of the most powerful. Time changes everything, and getting on the right trajectory may not improve the world today, but 5 years from now, it could be unrecognizable. Mathematicians also understand the tremendous complexities of working with probability. It can work in our favor and against us, and the true mathematician will try to quantify risk with every calculation. They want to define what is a chance worth taking before they act. They are under no illusion that their understanding of the problem is complete. Representing the world in data is complex, and calculations are filled with assumptions. They have developed a complex system to work with error and quantify the likelihood that they are wrong. The mathematician will not just tell you that a solution has a 70% chance of succeeding. They will also tell you when there is a 50% chance that their 70% estimate is completely wrong. The engineer, before anything can exist, someone has to imagine it. Engineers excel at imagining a better world than today, then set about building it. To build the modern world, they take a highly structured approach to problem solving. With any complex problem, they will break it down into formal statements of truth and unknowns. They describe the problem accurately and in great detail. You can't start to solve a problem you haven't fully defined. Engineers know that perfect solutions in a complex world are rare, so they take time to describe fault tolerances in their designs. Things can go wrong, but only within strictly defined limits. They will ignore problems, but only for so long. Once something crosses their boundaries, they understand that they are in a high-risk zone. They also pay careful attention to how their solution will fit into the existing system. Interworking and interacting are crucially important in the engineer's world. The humanist. The humanist believes that all progress starts with human thought. Individuals have the power to see that an enduring situation is wrong, and then through launching campaigns to recruit others to their opinion, they seek to build a better world. For the humanist, it is an oversimplification to trust too much in any cause-effect approaches that are too convenient or too easy. They don't try to oversimplify the complex, interwoven world we live in. Invisible forces theory, the idea that not all causes of a problem can be observed, explains many of the most challenging situations for the humanist. Attitudes and beliefs have a powerful impact and can be resistant to rational logic. The humanist always looks to uncover a more complex explanation. Decision intelligence is knowing when to use each of these specialist approaches to get to the best solutions to your problem. Expand your range of problem-solving skills, think differently, and go further.